What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out here, and y'all still getting scammed, which I don't know how. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, I got a major play for y'all. Yeah, a real major play. A BOA play. A Bank of America play. All you got to do is listen, hear, and follow instructions. Because it's true. It's real. Got mine. So I'm gonna help you do the same thing. So a lot of people, we need money, and this is CPN friendly. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. Alright, so a lot of people out there need a couple $1,000s. A lot of people out there need 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, $50,000, right? And it's a number, it's different ways to go about this play. It's just about what situation you're in and how you can structure it around your life and your situation, right? So boom, what you want to do is, now I know it's a lot of people out there that make money, right? It's not hard to make money, right? A lot of people, everybody out here can make a couple dollars, right? Everybody can make a couple $1,000s, right? So what you need to do is, first of all, before you go open up a bank account with Bank of America, you need to first get your credit report together, because this is going to play a major part. You need to get you an Experian, like I've been telling y'all. Once you get that Experian, you need to see everything that's on your credit report. If you don't got no credit, nothing, no collections, none of that, you younger and all that, just go add trade lines. But if you do, you got collections and inquiries and all that on your and high limit debt, bad debt, you need to clean your credit up. And I told y'all how to do that before. Freeze all 3 of your credit bureaus. Once you freeze them, then go dispute all your collections. Once you dispute them, any collections over 7 years or older is classified as expired. So you're going to start seeing them fall off first. Once you see your credit start cleaning up, then you want to go add the same trade lines. You want to add those trade lines. You want to add those AUs. The AUs are the credit cards. The trade lines are the mortgage loans, title loans, all that stuff like that. All right, pay loans, whatever they put on your credit, right? Once you do all that, you let it age for 32 to 45 days. At the same time, you want to open up a Bank of America. Now, do not go into the branch to open up your account. Now, like I said, this is CPN friendly. So do not go into the branch and open up your account. Call over the phone to open up your account. All they're going to ask you over the phone is for your social security number, address, and really that's it. And they're going to ask you, do you want to open up an online mobile banking? You're going to say yes. You're not going to have to send in no documents. You're not going to have to send in no picture ID, front and back, none of that. All they're going to ask you for is the social security number, your name, address. Boom. Congratulations, you got you on a Bank of America account. Alright. So, now you got your Bank of America account and you cleaned up your credit. Now what you want to do is, you want to start building a relationship with Bank of America. And what I mean by that is, you want to start depositing money into the account. Do not take out money. Make more deposits than you make withdrawals, right? Make more credits than you debit, right? So over the 32 to 45 days, deposit at least $5,000 periodically into that account, right? Now, if you have an LLC or EIN, you're going to be able to get more money. So if you have an LLC and an EIN, and you got your EIN number, when you open up your personal checking and savings, open up a business checking and savings with your LLC and your EIN number. Because at the end of the day, they're going to give you more money on the business side, vice versa on the personal side. But you're going to leverage your money from your personal to your business, right? So boom. Now that you got your Bank of America personal and business account, checking and savings on both sides, and like I said, you want to deposit at least $5,000 into that account, that personal account, right? So now that you're getting perks to that account, you're going to take $2,500 out of that personal account and you're going to transfer it to your business account. Once you transfer it to your business account, then you're going to start depositing funds into your business account for at least. You're really not going to have to go that long, because all you're going to have to do is, with that $2,500, get a secured loan against that $2,500, right? Once you got that secured loan against that $2,500 that's in your account, then you're going to start getting a whole bunch of net 30s. So you're going to run up the net 30s because you're going to get your payday score up. Once the bank starts seeing your payday score on your business side go up, and you keep depositing money, they're going to start giving you loan offers. And like I said, it's CPN friendly. Once they start giving you loan offers, you're going to leverage your personal towards your business. And this is going to be no docs, just signature, stated income. They're going to go off what you say, right? So, like I said, it's different ways. Because like I said, it's a CPN friendly. So if you want to do the credit card stacking, and that's finding every hot card. So like I told y'all, certain cards only pull from one credit bureau. So by you getting those net 30s, you got $2,500 in that account, and you got a secure loan on that $2,500. That's and the payments coming out that account each month is going to be exceptional payment history. It's the finesse, right? It's the finesse. Boom. Remember I told you got those AUs, the cards on your personal. That's going to leverage that towards your as a personal guarantor. So now that you got your at least a $5,000 to $10,000 credit card put on your personal, it's gonna allow you to get the same thing or higher on your business, because you got those net 30s. You building your Paydex and your Paynet, and you gonna build a relationship with Bank of America, and they're gonna give you certain perks. See, this is a trick. This is why people need to learn credit and learn the game, because it's so easy to finesse, right? So boom. By you knowing which credit cards pull from which credit bureau, you're going to be able to get 3 to 4 credit cards from each bureau. So if you can get $10,000 to $15,000 each card, even $25,000 each card, each bureau, 3 to 4 cards, you do the math on that. And you do know you can get cash advances from those credit cards, go to the bank, tell them you're trying to get this much off the card. You insert the card into the machine. Boom. They say, this number I'm right, yes or no. You say yes. They give you the money. Boom. It's a cash advance off the card. You do it all the time, right? This right here, you can get rich off this right here. Bank of America for sure. So once they start sending you perks, once you get those credit cards, you can literally leverage the money off those cards, and now you just ran up an easy bag from $50,000 to $250,000 fast, just like that, in 32 to 45 days. Just off making those deposits and following those steps. You just gotta follow those steps. A lot of people are like, man, what you talking about, man? Listen, it's not hard. All you gotta do is do everything that I've been telling y'all to do. Clean y'all credit, get you an experience account so you know what's going on. Get y'all LLC, get y'all EIN number, because like I said, everybody's so struck on these personal bad credit loans. It's something called utilization rates that you do know if you go over that utilization rate on your personal, it's gonna negatively affect your credit score. That's why people do everything on their business side. That's why people like get businesses LLC so they can put the money over there, and so they person be poor, but their business, their entity be the person or the company with the money. Like, y'all gotta understand the game. Like, people use businesses to pay less child support, and there's a lot going on. There's a lot of finesses that I promise y'all, if y'all pay attention you'll be in the game. Easy peasy peanut butter cup, right? So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all paying attention to these lessons, man. Make sure y'all paying attention to these gems, because I guarantee if you do, you'll be walking out with a big bag, 10 to 50 to $250,000. You just got to do everything right. And if you need help, tap in. Come get y'all lessons. You know I help you. Basic lessons is $600. Anybody out there want to learn how to clean their credit, build their credit, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, it's going to be $600. Basic lessons is $600. Unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones is $1,200. Mentorships is $2,500. We're gonna make money together with that. In-person limited gems is $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. So make sure y'all tapping in and come and get y'all gems. Knowledge is power. If you're not willing to learn, it'll never be your turn. A lot of people don't understand that. The more you know about something, the more you'll be able to do something and teach something that you can get paid for. Because there's a lot of people out there that's in the same boat that's not willing to learn anything. They want somebody to do it for them, and they never get anywhere far. You do know everybody that's getting somewhere in life, they're making it happen for themselves. So make something happen for yourself. Learn this money game. Once you learn it, you start learning your own loopholes, your own corners to cut, and start doing whatever you want to do and live your own life. But you learn how to make some money, point blank period. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameraman. Any rapper, singers out there looking to get their chain, they watch, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself, watch I invest $200,000 into you and your career. Any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to elevate, build, and grow their platform, tap in. We're gonna be traveling. We're gonna be doing a lot of skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, relationship questions, just having a ball, music videos, whatever it takes for us to get this money, point blank period. All right, so make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. Make sure you don't got no bad attitude or nothing like that. We're gonna learn from each other and we're gonna make this money with each other. Easy as that. All right, so tap in. Any videographers out there, tap in. Good camera, 4K or better, good editing skills, fast turnaround, tap in. All right, so content equals views, views equals money. Easy as that. The more content we push out, the more views we gonna start to get, and the more money we gonna start to get. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with that. Also, anybody looking to get that Cash App glitch, don't miss out. Y'all see people running them bands up, you either gonna hate or you gonna get you a dinner plate. Easy as that. Ain't nobody gonna beg you to do nothing you don't want to do. So make sure y'all tapping in. Cash App glitch, how to make 10,000 a week, all profit, one free fully. 250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin payment, send me a screenshot. Let me know you payment ready on my Telegram. Do not contact me on my Instagram. If you contact me on my Instagram, it's gonna be an extra $100. So listen to what I'm saying. So like, if you contact me and then play the victim, like, bro, no, I didn't. I'm telling y'all right here. So only contact me on my Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description of every video at the bottom. So click the title of the video, then all my links pop up. You can find my Telegram in there. And if you go to my community post, it's posted everywhere. So you can't be talking to no fake King Hussle Telegram. My Telegram name is not King Hussle nothing. So if you out there talking to a Telegram page right now with the name King Hussle, that is not me. Don't get scammed, all right? All my links is all over the place. You can't, and if you're not sure, just get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Easy as that. All right, so Cash App glitch, how to make 10K a week, all profit. One free fully, 250 Cash App and Bitcoin payment. Once the 250 is on your Cash App and Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready. We're gonna go from there. Only contact me on my Telegram, and let's get to work. All right, so y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.